Good evening guys, welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So in this video, let's look at what are all the stocks which are going to give the breakout or which are in the breakout stage, which has closed up with very good volumes, will be in focus for the next days or like next few sessions or weeks. So the first one will be Mahindra CAE. So Mahindra CE is an automotive stock. You can see currently the stock today has closed above its recent high of 283. It has closed above that. So sustaining above 283, the next levels will be 300. So another interesting fact in this script is, let me get into the weekly chart. You can see this stock is going to give a multi-year breakout. So earlier it made 300 levels in 2018. After that, it had fallen till 55, and currently it is at the breakout levels. So sustaining above 300, 303, 315 levels, this script will give like an aggressive move on the upside towards its all-time high of 383. So the big funds or the new volumes may get in or pitch in from now on. So so please keep this in radar. Let me get into the day chart also. So if the script has given a like a rounded bottom, the script may give, like a retest its high of 300. Then it may give a consolidation or accumulation may happen at those period, like those area, and then it may start move towards its all-time high of 383 levels. So please keep this in radar. So the next will be Bharat Dynamics. So as you see, Bharat Dynamics, let me get into the weekly chart also. So another multi-year breakout stock, which is like it made an all-time high in 28 May 2018. Again, it made a high of 479 in August 2020. Now after that, it has fallen till 280. Now again, it is currently at 428. Let me get into the day chart. So currently today it has closed at 428. So the stock, if sustained above 429 area, the stock sustaining above 429 will move towards 446, 454, 467 and 490 levels in the next few weeks. So since it is giving, as I said earlier for Mahindra CAE, since it is giving an like a breakout on the upside after a long time, it may get a consolidation again here and then it may start moving. So for these stocks, it may take at least for 6 to 8 weeks for that to achieve the target of all-time high, which is 490. Yes, 480 levels. So please keep this in radar. So the next stock will be Chola Finance. So you can see Cholamandalam Finance. Let me show the weekly chart. So Cholamandalam Finance has given a 52-week high. Again, it has made like a rounded bottom in the weekly. Let me show the one-day chart. It is currently nearing an all-time high close of 610 levels. So sustaining above 610, the stock will give the first target of 621, 621, 661 levels in the next few weeks. So keep this in radar. Today it has come up with a good volume also. So you can see this was in a continuous consolidation for a long time, and after that it has given this breakout. So this breakout will be aggressive on the upside. So the next stock will be Main and Bearings. So you can see Main Bearings is in a consolidation for a long time. It made an high of 88, and after that it has made a low of 65, and currently it is at 81 levels. I'm expecting this if the stock reverses back to 79 or 80 levels, 75, 8, 77, 78 levels. So this would be the right place where we can accumulate so that the stock will start traveling towards the next area of 88 and 90, 100 levels. So let's look at the all-time high. So the stock has made an all-time high at of 126 in the month of May 18, and before that it has made a high at, I mean, like during the IPO time at March 15. So sustaining above these levels of 88, the stock would retest its recent, I mean, like the all-time high of 124 and 125 levels in the next few weeks to months. So the next stock will be Tanla Solutions. So you can see Tanla platform. It is like a symmetrical triangle breakout. So sustaining above 972 levels, the stock will travel towards 1025, 1089, and 1122 levels, and 1260 levels in the next coming weeks. Let me show on the day chart also. So you can see the support is getting raised, and so this is an ascending bullish triangle. So breakout above 974 levels, the stock will retest. I mean, like will start traveling, or the expansion would happen, would continue towards 1025, 1000 and 1089, 1122, and 1170 levels in the next few weeks. So keep this in radar. So the next stock will be Newgen Software. You can see the stock has given a triangle pattern breakout. So sustaining above 630, the stock would move towards 650, 700, and the recent high of 750 levels in the next 6 to 8 weeks time frame. So please keep this in radar. So any stock, if you have to enter on a daily time frame, all these stocks are only for the for the cash. I mean, like cash or swing trades. So any stock which you have to enter should enter only above the levels which is prescribed. So any stocks which should be entered above the previous high, and we should have at least 2 to 3% of stop loss. So that way we can save our capital, and also towards we can after once it starts moving, we should start trailing the stop loss. I mean, like we should start protecting the profits which we are earning. So the next stock will be Shriram Transport. So again you can see. So again, this is like a I mean, like ascending triangle channel, and the stock is currently at 1427. So sustaining above 1409, the stock will travel towards 1472, 62, 1529, and 1000, 1615, and 1735 levels in the next 6 to 8 weeks. So please keep this in radar. These are all our best setups which would give a strong move on the upside. So the next stock will be Indiabulls Housing Finance. So iBull, you can see it is also given like a triangle pattern breakout. So the stock sustaining above 250 to 60 levels. So the accumulation has happened here, and the stock would start moving, sustaining above today's high. It would move towards 260, 272, and 290, and 313, which is the recent high. So the next stock will be Metropolis. You can see Metropolis. Yesterday also we discussed around that. So currently it is in this channel, and in this price action. So you can see the stock gets support here whenever it touches the area of 2634 levels. So again today you can see, yesterday I gave a notification that it may get a reversal from here, it has given a reversal from here. So safers can enter at these levels of 2778 for a swing trade towards 3113 levels. So the risk will be the recent low, which is 2630 levels, and the reward will be almost close to another 400 to 500 points. Next will be Chola Finance. So Chola Finance, you can see it has closed very close to the recent high of 616, 620 levels. So sustaining above 621, it would start moving towards the next recent high of 661 and 683 levels in the next few weeks. So the next one will be Persistent Systems. So you can see Persistent Systems as in a continuous bull run, stellar run. So it is currently in a at 4190 levels. So you can see if the stock get towards 3000 or 4000 levels, it would be I mean, like a right place to accumulate for the for a long term. So this is one of the IT stocks. The next one will be NAM India. Nippon India. You can see the stock currently in a consolidation happening. So sustaining above 458, the stock will move towards 480 and 500 levels. The stock is continuously in a bull run and taking support at the recent moving averages, and which is like 10 days moving averages, and start moving on the upside. So please keep 2 to 3 percentage below these levels, or you can keep 50 days moving averages as the stop loss, and you can start start traveling on the upside. The next one will be Kotak Mahindra. So Kotak Mahindra, you can see it is again forming a triangle pattern. You can see it is forming a triangle pattern. So it is towards the all-time high. We show in the weekly chart. It has made a rounded bottom. Also it is making a flag like pattern here. So sustaining above 235, 2035, the stock will move towards 2100, 2200 and 2300 levels in the next 6 to 8 weeks of time frame. So that's all guys, that's all for today. So I will come up with another video where the stocks are getting accumulation or getting getting the volume on the stocks, which is going to give the breakout. So I will come up with another video soon. So let's focus on these stocks as of now. Thanks guys, hope this information is useful to you. So if it is useful, please kindly share with your friends and like guys. Bye.